This is the second of 2 tutorials on using animation in Worldwide Telescope. The first tutorial showed some of the ways animation has been used in previous tours. This tutorial will demonstrate how to animate images, text, and shapes in Worldwide Telescope. One of the simplest animations is to make an object move across the screen. Let's say you wanted to make a penguin fall into the Ring Nebula. How would you make it move? First, make sure you've added a slide to your tour. Next, upload an image. We'll choose this penguin. Then, after you've resized the image, right-click on it and select Animate. If you click on the slide's thumbnail, you can see 2 triangles on the top left and top right of the slide. These triangles allow you to see the start and end positions of the slide. Click on the left triangle to view the starting place of the slide. Now position your image at its starting position. Click on the right triangle to see the ending place of the slide. And now move your image to where you'd like it to end. By switching back and forth between the 2 triangles, you can see what changes you've made to the image. Let's play the animation that we have so far. To make the penguin fall more convincingly, let's change its size and orientation. Go back and click on the right triangle and select the object. Select the orientation tool, found above the image. Click and drag it far to the right to make the penguin spin as it falls. Next, shrink the penguin down to as small as you can make it. Let's watch our tour now. Changing the size and orientation gives the impression that our poor penguin is being sucked into the nebula. Text can also be animated, which is useful when labeling moving objects. Let's zoom in on one of the bow shocks in the Orion Nebula as an example. First, add a slide. Next, hold down the Control key and drag the background in order to rotate it. The direction you spin the background determines the direction it will spin during the tour. Set the end location by right-clicking the slide and selecting Set End Camera Position. Now let's add text. Position the text, right-click and select Animate. Next, go back to the slide's thumbnail and click on the right triangle. Click on the text and use the orientation tool to rotate the text until it aligns with the background image. Let's preview our tour from here by right-clicking the thumbnail and selecting Preview Tour from here. In addition to images and text, we can animate shapes found in Worldwide Telescope. Let's animate a circle by changing its color and opacity. First, make sure to add a slide. Then add in a circle. Make sure to right-click the shape and select Animate. Now right-click the circle again and set the circle's initial color and opacity. Next, click on the right triangle above the slide's thumbnail to view the end camera position. Right-click on the circle again and set the circle's final color and opacity. Let's preview our tour from here. Animation in Worldwide Telescope can be used to highlight, label, and model concepts.